Adding titles to charts can be a little tedious and even time-consuming if you insist on typing them. However, you can pick up data from existing cells and put them into chart titles. If you've created a chart, for example this one, and you don't have that kind of information, strong suggestion here is after having clicked on the chart and activating the new Chart Tools ribbon, on the Design tab, the Chart Layouts feature right here. Now, depending upon the chart type, you'll see more or fewer entries here. And if you haven't worked with these a whole lot, do take advantage of them because they give you some built-in styles. And you will notice on some of them a gray bar on the top. That's space for a main title. Sometimes you'll see them down the left-hand side, sometimes on the bottom. So we might pick one of these here, for example, this one. And suppose we want to put in a title here, but why don't we use the data that's actually right here? This is actually in cell B1. In a chart, once you've chosen one of the chart layouts, click, for example, here under Axis Title, then click in the formula bar, type equal, and then click on the cell that's got the data you want, and then press Enter. And there we see the title there. Similarly over here, now this might be a long title, we might want to reconsider it, but still, Axis Title. We don't want to do any typing here. Click in the formula bar, type equal, then this time click on cell A2 and press Enter. There it is. You have the ability and the right to type in anything you want, but why not take advantage of the fact that many times on a chart, the title that you want is likely to be embedded already in the data, and why not take advantage of it like we're doing here? And if we change our mind about the content of the title, possibly we might even change this cell and it will be reflected in the chart immediately. Maybe we don't use the word company here that often and everybody knows what we are anyway, so we might just click in here, maybe double click and get rid of the word company. We might even change the font size here too. Make it bigger and so on. Now that didn't have an impact on the font size over here, so you might click here and then go into the font group on the Home tab and slide across some of your choices here and watch that title grow. But take advantage of the fact that you can create titles by associating them with cell addresses within your worksheet.